Hi there, Emma here, from ProvenSignals. I have just entered a 3-minute binary options trade higher. The buy higher signal was sent in our free binary signals telegram. This proven binary options strategy is based on volatility, levels, and smart money trading rules that are backtested to give you accurate entry points. We see how price is immediately turning up and we are in the money. This is what we want to see. And because our strategy and the signals we send are backtested and proven to work, we know that we have a high probability of a successful trade every time we buy or sell a binary option. I think binary options trading is the best trading method for new traders because they are beginner-friendly and easy to understand. It offers defined risk and clear outcomes on every trade. This makes it easier for you when deciding whether to trade, as you know exactly how much you could lose if price moves against you. And if price don't, you know the exact size of your potential profit, making this a beginner-friendly way to trade. And one of the biggest advantages of binary options is the high return potential. Average returns are typically between 80 to 90% per trade. This compares to a forex or stock trader who would typically realize returns of approximately 10% per trade. But with returns comes higher risk, so it's important to follow back-tested trading signals. Keep in mind that there is no binary options 100% winning strategy. Anyone telling you that they can give you a no-loss, 100% winning strategy is a scam. To become a successful and profitable binary options trader, you need to follow back-tested and proven strategies and signals that give you accurate entry points. The signal we send in our Telegram channel is from a strategy that is back-tested on years of data, so we know that every time we enter a binary trade higher or lower, we have a high probability of a successful trade. If you want to give our back-tested and proven trading signals a try, click the link in the description to join our free Telegram channel. The trading platform we use and recommend to trade binary options also give new traders a free $10,000 demo account to try the platform benefits and one of the highest bonuses in the industry when you make your first deposit. Just a few seconds away from the expiration, and this looks like it will expire in the money. A nice $755 profit trading our binary option signal that was sent in our Telegram channel. If you want to become a successful binary trader, follow profitable signals like these with discipline. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.